Here's some quick easy exercises you can do every day to start to bring symmetry to the upper face, particularly the eyebrow area. Now first of all, just remember it's completely normal to have some asymmetry in the face. We all have one side which is stronger and more lifted than the other side. But what we want to do with face yoga is try to bring back naturally and gently some of that symmetry. So with your two index fingers, just come to the outer edge of the eyebrows and just gently pull the eyebrows away from each other and open the eyes. Now I really recommend that you do this with a mirror. What you're aiming to do is to gently pull both eyebrows the same amount there to open the eyes the same amount, so you're really engaging that ring muscle that runs around the eyes, and you want to make sure that you're not sort of pulling one eyebrow way more up than the other side. Nice and equal there. You can relax and you can take that twice more. It's good to do that about 20 to 30 seconds each time. Then what you can do is take the two fingers and just come across the forehead. Similar thing here, holding the lower part of your index finger is just gently pulling the outer edge of the eyebrow out slightly. You're widening the eyes, again really engaging the muscles equally around the eyes, both sides. Holding here, breathing deeply in and out through the nose. Check again with your mirror that you're not sort of pulling one side up more than the other. Really just trying to retrain the face in this way. You can relax. You can do that one again 3 times, 20 to 30 seconds each time. Our next technique, you're just going to bring your index fingers just under the eyebrows, gently lift the eyebrows up just a tiny bit and do the same amount each side. So again, using a mirror here if you can. You're then just going to close the eyes against the resistance of the index fingers. Hold there for about 10 seconds, breathing deeply in through the nose and out through the nose. And then just gently bring your hands back down. To finish, just stroke across your eyebrow area using your mirror and just do that a couple more times, just relaxing any tension. I find I have more tension and more lift on this side. So I just smooth across and make sure they're nice and equal to finish. I hope that helps.